In this segment of this video, we are going to talk the features of OneDrive. So what are the features? So let me bring my Windows OneDrive so we can go one by one and check that what are the features available. So I'm going here. Here you can click and you can see a small cloud icon here, and that is OneDrive icon. So you can click on this icon and you can see all these options. Recycle bin. Let me bring it. So you can see open folder, view online, and recycle bin. So we will check all these icons one by one. If you click on open folder, it will bring you to the OneDrive folder. Here you can see if you sync with any online login, like if you have Microsoft 365 line for STW services, or for example, if your company is xyz.com, you can see OneDrive xyz.com. I already logged in for stwservices.com, and that's why I can see here. So once you will click here, you can see all those files which is synced with your online OneDrive. So here you can see some of the folder has status cloud. It means that those folders are only available in cloud. Some of the folders you can see, those are ticked. It means that those folders also available on your local PC and cloud. Also, if you click here, you want to access this folder, then you will click on this cloud icon, and let me check a file which is only in cloud. So you can click here and it will start downloading this file, and after that you can access this file. So this is how the file you want to access on your desktop, you can click and it will be ticked and it will be available on your PC. Also, you can right click on any file and you can see all these icons are related to the OneDrive, like settings. So in settings, let me browse again. So you can go in setting. So you can see like share. So you can click here and it will bring your online sharing pop up here. So you can search the name like STW or whoever you have in your group, and you can share with your organizational group. Even though you can also share with the external people, but we'll check that feature later on. You can right click and you can see manage access. Again, who can access, who can't access, stop sharing. Do you don't want to share with someone else, you can stop sharing. You can right click and go view online. You will click and it will take you to the online folder like this, but I'm not logged in this file, so it will ask for login. But if you are logged in a different folder, so you can click here and make your folder default. It will, you can also see version history, like whenever it was edited by someone else, you can see like who edited this file, Sandeep Mishra, and what was the date and what was the time. So this is how you can also revert back. You can go here and restore or download or delete the version, whatever you want. So this is how you can manage your version history. Keep always keep on this device. Like if you want that file should always available on your desktop, so you can select this icon, always keep on this device. Like you want to access this file even though internet is not available, in that case you can select this option, always keep on this device, so you can access in offline mode, and also it will be synced with the online platform when you have internet access. So apart from that, we can go here and check the other options, that is view in web. It will open the Like let me go here and check if I can log in. So it will take you on OneDrive online folder. So here, like you can go on files, you can check recent files, you can check like what files shared with you, and also deleted file, like shared with you and deleted files. In online, you can go on any folder, you can say like copy link, you want to share this folder with someone else, you can just go here and click on copy link, and you can share this link with someone else outside your organization or within your organization with the access you want to give here. Like you can go and you can give like anyone can access, people within your organization can access, people with existing access can access it. You can add the people who can access this file using their email. Also, you can give like can edit or can view. You can give the date on which date it should be expired, and also a password you want that someone can access using a certain password you can give here. And you can also block download, like they can view the file but they can't download this file. So these are the very good features are available with Microsoft OneDrive file. So you block download, you can set password, you can set expiry date, you can set access, and also you can share with a email, you can share with a link, or you can share within organization. So these are the features available in online mode. Apart from that, you can go here and you can see settings. So here you can see like you can start OneDrive when I sign in Windows, like whenever you sign in your Windows in your desktop, it will it will be started, so file will be synced. Fast syncing when this device is on metered network. Also account, you can say like who is signed in on this PC. Notification, you want like notify me when syncing is paused, notify me when others share with me or edit my shared item, notify me when a large number of files are deleted in the cloud. If someone delete large number of files, you will get notification. Notify me before many files that I deleted on my PC are removed from cloud. So these are the notifications available. You can check in advanced setting. You can see like file collaboration. You want that work on office file with other people at the same time by syncing the file with office. Like you want that the same file you are working, other people are also working, and it gets synced real time. You can on it. File on demand, like you want that some files should be on cloud, like whenever you want it should be downloaded on your PC, you can use file on demand. Save space on your device and download file from cloud as you use them. So what it will do, like it will back up file on OneDrive cloud, and whenever required it will download. So limit download rate, like you want to limit download rate or limit upload rate. You don't want that all your bandwidth should be engaged by OneDrive. So you can limit that using this option. So these are the options available. One more feature, we can go here. You can go click and click, click here. So on any file you can go and you can see free up space. Like you want that your local device should not store this file, so you can select free up space. So whenever you will access this file, after that it will be uploaded on cloud and it will not be available on your desktop. So whenever you need that file, you will click and it will be uploaded for your access. So these are the features available in Microsoft OneDrive. And I think this is quite rich features available by which you can organize your file, you can structure your file, and you can secure your file by sharing.